Hey guys, just came back from Disneyland Park. We got one of these ghost bottles. You can kind of see, comes in this nice box. And they put it in this like produce bag just to protect it a little bit. And they gave us this card. I was there. Haunted Mansion, 50th, August 9th, 2019. So we actually were there. It's kind of a cool card. Gives us some fun facts here. And it looks like you could tell which ghosts you have here. But the boxes all look alike. Let's see if I can slide this out one-handed. Kind of nice here. Here's some close-up details of the box itself. It's wrapped up. Again, you can see the name. I don't know if you can see it there. And this host ghost tells you from her seance circle, Madame Leota invites all the guests of the mansion to become caretakers to one of its 99 restless spirits. With a simple tap and a ghostly giggle, Leota, as a head spiritualist, will channel your spirit to materialize for you. Grinningly and respectfully, MT Tome. Get it? MT Tome. Ghost Relations Representative. So, yeah. It's the front of the box. Take this off. Try to slide this off one-handed. Did it! Yay! Let's see. Ooh, it's like a coffin. Oh, that's kind of cool. Some tissue paper up here and some styrofoam. It would have been a little nicer if maybe they put this kind of silk fabric on top there. But these ribbons are a nice touch. And it comes with a pin for each ghost. This one's a hat ghost, so it has the hat itself. Or it's like a chain. And it's death certificate. And you can sign it with your name as a caretaker. And of course, the actual Hatbox ghost. This is the label. There's a nice little ribbon to help pull it out. Again, one-handed, sorry. Oh, I swear I'll get better at all these. Okay. Yep, sorry. Here is an instruction manual. So let me do one of those. Let's see if it works. Nope. Here's the bottle. You can kind of see the Hatbox ghost in there. And nice touch to the top where it looks aged. The actual label looks aged. So one thing, this bottle cap actually pops open pretty difficultly, but it popped open. I don't think maybe I broke the tab. It's a little hard there, but yeah, you kind of got to pull it open. And it looks like it kind of would have broken, but these actually are what tell the bottle that you pressed on it. So there's a little on switch here, looks like, and I guess push on it. there she goes. No. Whoa.
Next of kin, summon a spirit from the mansion. Ghoulies travel from near and far, all invited to reside in a jar.
Let's see if she says something different. Oh. Cool. Let's see.
Be sure to bring your death certificate. Family, friends,
See if
next
it
of
skips to the next one.
Summon a
Oh.
spirit from the
Yeah, they do the whole thing.
mansion. Ghoulies travel from near and far.
That's the speaker
All
actually from
invited to
the top.
reside in a jar.
Yep, only those 3 things. Pretty cool. Nice little thing to remember the 50th anniversary of the Haunted Mansion for. So again, I'll be doing more of these. Hopefully I'll be doing some more stuff with 2 other friends. Doing a review on lightsabers. The old Master Effects ones, and then some of the Black Series ones, and then comparing them to the Galaxy's Edge.